here at Beijing, guys. Hindi ako na masyadong nakapag-vlog around sa travel na to kasi wala. Kapoy. We just check in sa hotel namin. Around 4 na pala, guys. So, we need to be hurry. We need to go out to try to get our ticket. And our ticket is only open para makuha until 6 lang. So, bumalik kami dito sa hotel kasi lumabas na kami kanina, kaya lang nakalimutan ko yung vlog camera ko. Kailangan kitang dalhin. So, ayun. And I'm disappointed kasi they gave us separated bed. Yeah, so I requested the front desk. Wala sila available today. So, bukas daw. So, we'll try to follow up them again. Kasi 5 nights kami dito, guys. Tapos magkalayo kami ng Junan ako, diba? Sige, kadya, guys. Let's go. Kadya. Let's go now. We're gonna walk around, I guess, 30 minutes, guys. Doon sa arena para makuha yung ticket. At maghahanap na rin ng grocery kasi hindi kami nag-avail ng free breakfast dito. Ito ba yung binili ko doon sa souvenir sa Foshan na game. Ito yung binigay nila na bed sa amin. So, separated siya. Wala kaming view dyan. Parang nasa likod kami. Madalawang upuan dyan. Parang office table, TV, yung luggage namin, at saka itong coffee maker, at saka yung toilet. Super linis naman siya, guys. So, let's go.
Room 2 tayo.
Labas tayo, no? So, ito yung front desk nila, guys. Tapos, ito yung lobby nila. Maganda din yung lobby nila, in fairness. Meron silang parang cafe here. Coffee lounge nila. So, labas na tayo. Marami kaming dito. What do you call that? Tindahan sa labas. At bet na bet ko yung nila, guys. Yung pa-elevator nila may bulaklak sa loob. It's real, guys. Totoo siya. Ganda. So, ayan. Ito yung mga tindahan sa labas namin. We have so many stores outside, actually. So, yeah. We're gonna explore if meron kaming we needed something. We can just check them out. Hotel namin, guys. Yan siya. Holiday Inn kami nakastay. At ito na yung mga tindahan around. So, maganda dito, guys, kasi meron sila talagang same sa Ukraine or other Europe. Meron talaga silang big space na lalakaran mo. And then, ito na yung parang highway nila. Bus stop yun siya, guys. At saka, naaaliw ako sa mga nila. What do you call that? Bikes. Ito yung mga building nila dito. Old buildings. Pa-apartment pa siya. We are walking for like almost 30 minutes now. Ito na yung venue siya, guys. Meron silang live dito, which is isang concert hall din. And then itong Cadillac Arena. We need to find where to get our ticket. So, this is the arena, guys. So, today, it's a non-game day. Walang laro ngayon. So, all the tickets, actually, we need to get from here. Ticket collection booth nila. Okay, update. Hindi namin nakuha yung ticket namin, guys. So, sabi nila, hindi pa raw na-arrange yung seats. So, we need to go back on the game day tomorrow. So, I hope walang pila. Kasi, nakakaloka yung sa Foshan. Ang dami-daming pila, guys. So, we're here now at the mall near ito sa arena. So, we're gonna find foodie. Kasi, what time is it? 5 na ba? Because it's 5 na. So, magdi-dinner kami. Ay, almost 6 na pala, guys. So, magdi-dinner na lang kami dito sa food court. Meron naman silang food court dito. Maraming choices. So, ito yung mapipilian natin dito. So, andito pala kami sa food court sa 6th floor ng mall ng katabi ng arena, guys. So, dito kami mag-early dinner. So, we ordered chicken with the potato. At ang sarap nito, guys. Milk tea siya. Tapos may beans. Red beans. Yung asawa ko, we got the dragon fruit juice. Sobrang sarap din yan. At ito yung place na kinainan namin. At meron kaming fried rice to share. Share lang namin kasi medyo marami siya, guys. Oh my God, tilapia siya, guys. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Namiss ko to. Tilapia. Boneless. Ano boneless to? Masarap yung nila, guys. Guys, may lasa. So, hindi namin naubos. I'm happy but I'm scared. That's why I'm trying to like